Local developers on Thursday, July 26th, voiced support for Amador Water Agency forming a community facilities district for Amador Water System, saying it gives needed income and helps expand water service capacity. Areas of the proposed community facilities district number 1 include areas in or around Ione, Plymouth, Sutter Creek, and Amador City. Bob Reeder of Reeder Sutherland said fees are certainly nowhere near the $4,000 in old fees based on a 2007 study. Reeder said people getting in the CFD for the treatment will not be required to fund the whole new plant, which is unrealistic. When proposed, he felt there was not enough potential development to provide that cost, and ratepayers would have to pay a chunk of that as was proposed back then. The total new plant had an estimated cost of $25 million. Reeder said now the board has stopped pursuing that avenue and realistically pursued some much more cost-effective incremental upgrades. He said the support of this plan is good for the agency because it provides a revenue stream it wouldn't otherwise have. We don't know when development will really start, but tax revenue will come in starting in December. AWA General Manager Gene Mancebo said funds received now will start paying the 2007 Amador Transmission Pipeline bond, and as far as the treatment plan is concerned, the rate provides them the mechanism to expand capacity with used equipment and expanded facilities, which will cost much less than the 2007 fees. Ray Brusatori, who would be a member of the CFD, said it is beneficial to landowners and the AWA. Rob Aragon of JTS said the CFD mutually benefits the AWA and gets you some revenue stream which you have been dearly needing for Lord knows how long, and gets you that money that you don't otherwise get until building permits are pulled. Aragon said it was clearly an important and correct step for the agency and said it won't solve all of the problems, but hoped it would save a good portion of them. We're participating with this process. Aragon said we're going to be cutting a check in December and the December after that, and every year for the next 25 years. That's important for you to hear, and we appreciate you guys moving this forward. Mancebo said the agreement with JTS pays $129,000 toward each debt service payment for the transmission pipeline. AWA Counsel Stephen Cronick said the special tax is to pay for improvements that will create capacity, and merely a credit against those actual taxes what they will be. Stay with us. When we come back, we'll have our interview right here on TSPN.
You're watching Amador County's #1 news and sports leader, TSPN.